Starting a WordPress website feels exciting at first. You buy a domain name, install WordPress, choose a theme, and suddenly you feel like you are building something important. Maybe it is a blog, an online store, a business website, or even a personal brand. But many beginners make mistakes that later cause stress, confusion, slow websites, security problems, and lost visitors. The truth is this: building a WordPress website is not difficult, but doing it the right way matters a lot. In this video, I'll take you through why many beginners fail at building WordPress websites, so you can avoid them from the beginning and build your website with confidence. Without wasting further time, let's jump right in. Number one is choosing cheap hosting without research. One of the first mistakes beginners make is choosing the cheapest hosting they can find without understanding what hosting actually does. Hosting is the place where your website lives online. Think of it like renting land for your house. If the land has problems, your house will also have problems. Many beginners buy cheap hosting because the price looks attractive. If your website takes too long to load, many visitors will leave before they even see your content. Cheap hosting can also affect security and customer support. Imagine your website suddenly stops working and there's nobody available to help you. Instead of choosing hosting based only on price, look for reliability, speed, customer support, and good reviews. A good hosting company saves you many headaches later. If you are a professional or just starting out and want something beginner friendly, reliable, and affordable, I personally think Hostinga is a good option for beginners because it is simple to use and works well for WordPress websites. You'll find links to Hostinga plus a coupon code in the description. Number two is using too many plugins. Plugins are one of the best things about WordPress. They allow you to add features to your website without coding. You can add contact forms, online stores, security tools, SEO tools, backups, and many other features with plugins. But beginners often install many plugins. Sometimes people install just 5 plugins that do almost the same thing. Others install plugins they never even use. It should be noted that more plugins do not automatically make your WordPress website better. In fact, too many plugins can slow down your website, create conflicts, and increase security risks. Think about your phone for a moment. If you install hundreds of apps you never use, your phone becomes slower and messy. The same thing happens with WordPress. Only install plugins you truly need. Keep them updated and remove plugins you are not using. A clean website is usually a faster and safer website. Number 3 is ignoring website security. Many beginners think hackers target only big websites. That's not true. Small websites are often targeted because they are easy to attack. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is ignoring security completely. They use weak passwords like admin123, or they never even update WordPress. That is dangerous. WordPress itself is secure, but the problem is people usually use outdated plugins, outdated themes, or weak login details. Always use strong passwords to be at a safer side. Update your WordPress site regularly. Install a security plugin if necessary. Also avoid downloading free themes or plugins from suspicious websites because they may contain harmful code. Protecting your website from the beginning is much easier than trying to fix a hacked website later. Number 4 is not backing up the website. Imagine spending months to build your website and suddenly everything disappears. Maybe your hosting crashes, a plugin breaks the website, or someone hacks it. Without backups, recovering your website may be very difficult. This is one mistake many beginners do not think about until it is too late. A backup is simply a copy of your website. If something goes wrong, you can restore the backup and get your website working again. Backups are like insurance. You hope you never need them, but when problems happen, they become extremely important. Always set up automatic backups for your website. Many hosting companies like Hostinga makes this easier. Also, there are plugins that you can use to do this. Number 5, choosing a complicated theme. Many beginners choose themes that look beautiful but are overloaded with unnecessary features. The team may have fancy animations, complicated layouts, moving sections, and dozens of effects. At first, it looks impressive, but later, the website becomes slow and difficult to edit. A website is not successful because it looks complicated. It is successful because visitors can use it easily. Simple websites often perform better than overly designed websites. Choose a clean, responsive, and beginner-friendly team. A good team should help your content shine instead of distracting people. Make sure it works well on mobile devices because many people browse websites using phones, and this brings us to the chief mistake beginners make, that is by ignoring mobile users. This is a huge mistake. Many beginners build websites only on desktop computers and forget to check how the website looks on mobile phones. Then, visitors open the website on their phones and find tiny text, broken layouts, or buttons that do not work properly. Today, mobile traffic is extremely important. In many countries, most people visit websites using smartphones. If your website does not work properly on mobile devices, you are losing visitors. Always test your website on phones and tablets. Check the menu, images, buttons, and text sizes. Your website should feel smooth and easy to use on all screens. If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out and I appreciate you. Alright, let's get back to the video. The seventh mistake beginners make is writing content without understanding SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. In simple terms, SEO helps people to find your website on search engines like Google. Many beginners ignore SEO completely. They write random titles, forget descriptions, and publish content without structure. Then, they wonder why nobody visits their website. Imagine opening a shop in the middle of nowhere with no signs or directions. That is what happens when you ignore SEO. Good SEO starts with simple things. Use clear titles, write helpful content, use headings properly, add keywords naturally, make your website fast and mobile friendly. SEO is not magic. It is simply helping search engines understand your website. When done properly, SEO can bring traffic to your website for years. Number 8. Copying other websites too much. It is normal to get inspiration from other websites. Every designer and website owner does that. But beginners copy everything from other websites. They copy layout, text, colors, and even content word for word. That creates problems. First, copied content can hurt your SEO because search engines prefer original content. Second, your website loses its identity. Your website should reflect your own goals, message, and style. Learn from other websites, but build something that feels unique to you. Even simple originality can help people remember your brand. Number 9. Forgetting about user experience. Many beginners focus too much on appearance and forget about usability. User experience simply means how easy and comfortable your website feels for visitors. For example, can visitors simply find information? Is the menu simple? Are buttons clear? Is the text readable? Some website becomes confusing because everything is crowded together. Visitors should not struggle to use your website. Think about a supermarket. If products are arranged badly and nobody can find anything, customers become frustrated. Websites work the same way. Keep your navigation simple. Use readable fonts. Avoid clutter. Make important information easy to find. A simple website that usually works well is usually better than a complicated website that confuses people. Number 10. Not learning the basics of WordPress. Some beginners rush into building websites without understanding some basic WordPress concepts. They do not understand the difference between pages and posts. They do not understand themes, plugins, categories, menus, permalinks, things like that. Then, small tasks become frustrating. The good news is, you do not need to become a programmer to use WordPress, but learning the basics saves time and stress. Spend time and understand the WordPress dashboard. Learn how plugins work. Learn how themes work. Learn basic website structure. When you understand the foundation, building becomes much easier. Number 11. Constantly redesigning the website. Some beginners never finish their website because they keep changing everything. Today, they change colors. Tomorrow, they switch themes. Next week, they redesign the homepage again. As a matter of fact, I used to do that when I was starting out. Perfectionism can stop progress. Your website does not need to be perfect before you launch it. Most successful websites improve gradually over time. Start simple. Publish content, learn from visitors, and improve little by little. Do not waste months redesigning instead of growing your website. Number 12. Using poor quality images for your website. Images matter a lot on websites, but many beginners upload blurry images, oversized files, random pictures that do not match their content. Large image files can slow down your website badly. Poor images can also make your website look unprofessional. Always use clear and relevant images. Compress large images before uploading them, and make sure your images fit your content naturally. Good images can improve user experience, but bad images can hurt it. With Google Gemini, you can create high-resolution images for your websites for free, and use a website like TinyPNG to reduce the sizes of your images also for free. I'll leave links to all of them in the description. Number 13 is not creating important pages. Many beginners focus so much on designing their home pages. Many beginners focus to design the home page of their website that they completely forget to create important pages that visitors expect to see on a real website. For example, pages like About, Contact, Services, Privacy Policy, Terms and Conditions may seem small, but actually builds trust with your visitors. Imagine visiting a website that has no information about who owns it and no way to contact them. Most people will leave because the website feels unprofessional and incomplete. Your About page helps people understand who you are and what your website is about. Your contact page makes it easier for visitors, customers to contact you when the need arises. Privacy policy pages are also important, especially if you collect emails or use tools like Google Analytics. These pages makes your website look serious and trustworthy. Even if your website is new, having these important pages helps visitors to feel more comfortable interacting with your website. The 14th and final mistake on our list is expecting instant results. This is probably one of the biggest mistakes of all. Many beginners think launching a website automatically brings traffic, customers, or money, but websites take time to grow. You need consistent content, patience, learning, and improvement. Think of a website like planting a tree. You do not plant it today and expect fruits tomorrow. Successful websites are built step by step. Do not quit too early because results are slow. Keep learning, keep improving, keep publishing. Over time, small consistent efforts can create something powerful. Building a WordPress website is an amazing skill today. It gives you the ability to create a business, share ideas, build a brand, or even create income online. But beginners often make mistakes simply because they are excited and inexperienced. The good news is that most of these mistakes are avoidable. Choose good hosting. Keep your website secure. Avoid too many plugins. Focus on speed, simplicity, and user experience. Learn the basics and stay patient. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your first website does not need to be perfect. It just needs to keep improving. If you avoid these common mistakes, you will already be ahead of many beginners starting WordPress today. That's it for today, and I hope you found value from the video. If you did, kindly click on the like button, subscribe if you are new here, and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. In the meantime, stick around to watch another video from the channel. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.